the first sign that I usually see is the missing assignments, is that when they're not turning in.
What are some signs and symptoms that parents and teachers can look for in children that might indicate that the child is struggling with stress or newly developed anxieties, etc.?
Any change that's different from normal behavior, and it's going to look different in every child. So it could be a previously, very academic straight A child has slipping grades. They're not turning in their assignments. They're like drifting off in class. Or maybe they look like they're kind of, like disheveled and not as put together as usual. They're withdrawn. They're sitting alone on the playground instead of playing with other kids.
Because even if you had a child who was more of the type A personality, very organized, turned everything in, keep an eye out, create more conversation, how they're doing the check-ins. I love the sugars and spices. What was something good that happened that day? And let's share something that wasn't so good that day, so that we kind of open up the conversation. And in all the portals, there's grades. If we're talking about grades and missing assignments, parents do have access to that. So I would definitely use that, not as a way of, helicoptering them, but as a way like letting them know that I'm here for you. And if you're struggling with anything, please let me know. And we'll do these daily check-ins.